Hi guys, I am Krishna from SP Robotics Maker Lab, Puducherry community. This is my Independence Day project. My project name is a Robotic Tribute to the Nation. Now we will see the working model of my project. This robot will be working with the help of SG05 Bluetooth module, and I am using Arduino controller app. When I give forward in this app, the robot will be going forward. When I give left, this robot will go left, and when I give right, this robot will go right. And this robot will be salute when I press X. The components that I use is an explorer robot, an SG05 Bluetooth module, and beginner robot, linear gear, one IF sensor, one attention sheet, one battery, one audio. Thank you for watching my video.